Hi traders, today is 30th of April 2020. We are now live day trading for S&P futures market, June contract 2020. So in this is US session, a bit late on the signal today, and we already entered the market with a buy long signal from my live Telegram channel. So as you can see that there is a third revise for a second, entering at 2900.5, and target TP is about 10 points or 10.5 points to be precise, and we are expected to have a return of around 500 US dollar if you are trading mini account, and also around 50 US dollar for this normal account of micro. So based on the current situation, order already been filled, hopefully everything will be fine. So let's send out the signal first. So the order been filled, so you can find the link to this live Telegram channel, private channel, in the link description below. Okay, so we just in the market, so the current position stood at not much, but today we have a good day based from the London session, almost 300 plus for trading on the bearish market. So for now we are expecting a pullback and expected to reach at around 29.11 or 29.10. About that price, we don't need to be so much greedy. So we have two positions in the market, so if we just put the target, yeah, should be over there. So hopefully the price will go to this direction, and we really hope that everything will be fine. And based from my chart as well, shows that we are going a pullback reversal, maybe a minor one. So let's wait and see for the next few minutes whether this will be a good trade or not. Alright, we resume back. So this is from self custom made indicator, which is point out that this buy signal over here. We missed the first entry, which is at around 11 New York time, 11:30 New York time, and yeah, it was a very unfortunate because we missed that one. So we have to take another last signal before the market close for today, and we are going for a buy position and targets toward the view outline. And as well for NQ, there's a last call for buy, but RTY, Russell 2000, still on the sell, as well other market, but we are focusing on both 2 and Nasdaq 100, and also this S&P 500. So we are still we are in a good position on the positive side after a long wait and multiple revision. So now we try to move for the high. If you are trading a normal standard account, you already earn around 100 plus US dollar as a profit. So 10 points is the target. Is about that 9 points, so it should be good enough. We are in with a two lot position size, and let's wait. Hope everything will be fine. There's a tremendous number of Q on the higher side, which is at 29.05 and higher, and it's more likely that the market will go on the higher side, hopefully. And we will wait for the next 10 minutes at least to see whether we have a good direction or good directive for the market. But based from the chart analysis, there's good indication that we have so let's enlarge it a bit. Based on time frame 15 minutes, so there's a good indication that we are going for a bullish kind of movement. So there is a possibility of a continuation on the next candle. So we have 9 minutes before this candle finish, and based from the London session as well, we have a good short sell position, which is over here, and then the market keep going further down, especially at the beginning of US session. There's a buy call, and then another buy call, and then this is the third buy call. So I'm hunting the pullback because of this bearish movement. Based on the current scenario, you can see that market have a good tendency for a minor pullback. So we have missed a short sell over here on the smaller time frame, but now try to take the last signal from the market. Hopefully everything will be in a good hand for our trade today. So we are maintaining a good profit for the past few days. Yesterday we missed out also the trading signal due to the unexpected condition. So for today, hopefully everything's work fine, and let's wait. Okay, now we are entering around this is micro account. So if you are trading a normal standard mini account, just time 10, so 175 US dollar. So pretty much easy actually for S&P market to earn a lot of money. So for now looks good. You're reaching 40 US dollar in profit, 42 US dollar. So keep increasing if you are looking on my chart here. So it is a good trade. We have a major pullback. Okay, so from the signal over here, then re-enter the market, which is around our entry. Now we are seeing a trendy pullback, so try to reach the view up area, which is it's not really far from the current situation. Alright, so the view up line is the one in the yellow, and my TP as well in the yellow. So I think I'm in a good position to exit the market because my profit today already let's take a look, 300 and plus, so plus this 55, so 400. Okay, this one 450 US dollar in profit, so it should be a good one. And so let's wait. Hopefully it will reach the TP price target area. Yep, it looks good for me. Looks good. Looks good. So try to go flat any moment. Okay, so price now is 29.06, so should be around 5 to 6 points this moment. So we are waiting to exit the market. There's a more likely market will go to the direction of bullish pullback towards this view outline. So let's be patient. I will close one position first because I'm entering two, so I close one first, should be okay, and let the other trade to went through towards the TP targeted. So need to revise the quantity over here. Yeah, because it was a good day for me to trade today. This is just the live signal from my live Telegram channel. You can take a look in the link below in the description. Also to get this charting, this is indicator which is included live signal. You can get live signal over here, so you can set it. Shouldn't be a problem because these indicators I have made it from my own and already included the alarm, and also the alarm to your phone or to your email or to your SMS. So this is a complete strategy if you like to using it for US session. Okay, so it will determine where to buy or where to sell, but it's up to you to strategize whether which time frame you are using, which period of time. Alright, so a bit of red candle, maybe profit taking activity. Let's go back to the situation. That's the target here still remain the same. Yeah, I think we just have to wait. So the cumulative profit now is 411. Hopefully the last one also will profit. And yeah, everyone is, even though it's not much, but it's quite a lot if you are trading a normal standard account, mini account. So you should earn around 187 or 175 US dollar. This is a quick one. Within few minutes or few seconds you will earn something like this daily, or you can earn maybe 1,000 or 5,000. It's quite easy actually. So while waiting for the market to reach our destination, so I will pause this video and resume later on. Hopefully everything will work fine. And based from this chart as well, it looks good. Try to keep up on the higher side. So could be now the profit taking activity, maybe the next two candle will be a good candle to go for another push up to the view up line. So let's hope and pray everything will be fine. Alright traders, seems like the market turned back to the higher side. So it spiked down, but our stop loss is at 28.90, and based from my Telegram channel as well, 28.90, and the lower just now is 2890.5. So we have a lucky miss. So now we are in the positive direction, so hopefully the price penetrate the nearest high and went to this went through this profit target, which is at 29.10, about that. So looks good for everything, and the VWAP line also try to move a bit slightly down and will meet this price level any moment from now. So I'm targeting another 15 minutes should be sufficient for the market to reach the TP targeted area. So while waiting, I will pause for a while, and if possible, let's take a look on the chart. Alright, so we are transferring you to the chart. Okay, so as I said just now, the lowest here is 2890.5. so our stop loss, as mentioned in my live Telegram channel, just 0.5, a bit lower, just nice. We are lucky. This is a professional signal provider, so you have no to worry. So the target is still remain at 2910 or 2911, so it's up to you guys. 10 points or 9 points is good enough, or you can exit at 7 points with the double entry. So price keep climbing up, so you can see hopefully it's a burst to the higher side. So you can see that market will reach the targeted price, which is at let's make some line, maybe around 10.15 or 10.11 should be good enough. So that's the target. And also I think same like in my live Telegram channel, yeah, 29.11. So let's wait and hope everything will end successfully. It's quite interesting. I'm not sure why there was a large candle over here, spiked down and climbed further up, but it was a good entry. It's normal in ES market, S&P market, that there is a pullback and there is a sideways movement before the burst on the higher side. So just now you can see how the trading been done. Looks good. This is from my live account. You can check all my video in my YouTube channel. There's a lot of video over there. There's also losses, there's also win. Most likely most of the trade is a winning trade, so you can check also with a lot of link in the description below. This might be helpful for you guys who trade E Mini market and also crude oil, as well RTY, also Nasdaq 100. So looks good. So let's take a look a bit on our platform, on our PNL. Okay, we have a one lot position size. If you are trading mini account 360, mini account 360, 400, so it's a good enough, right? It's a good enough. I think I will exit. No need to be greedy. Price might go there to the VWAP line, so I'm exiting. So my profit today is cumulative, which is around 452 US dollars. So market might reach the VWAP line any moment soon. I also need to advise my Telegram channel. Okay, profit good enough. Good enough, no need to be greedy. Okay, price now is around, oh, try price already move back down. Okay, but it will go further up. It will touch the VWAP line, so you can see here it will touch back the VWAP line. And also I already advised on the Telegram channel, focus on the VWAP line because this is last trade. Okay, okay, that's what I mentioned. So it will push towards the VWAP line. Okay, not far from the profit target area. It will burst up. So price now is okay, so let's say 2908 and 3 more points or 2 more points, about that. Okay, I also already mentioned all in Telegram channel to exit the market. So this is my live Telegram channel to send out the signal and also the information what they are supposed to do. Okay, price on the high side, which is good, which is good, which is good. Alright, which is good. Candle also blue. It will hit the view outline any moment soon. If you can exit now or wait until it really touch the view outline. So this is some explanation in the video I always give in my YouTube channel and also this Telegram channel. Alright, it's quite strong resistance over there, but try to record it live for the price to touch the view outline. Hopefully, but it will touch and go extra a bit. So this is based on our trading experience. So I think I have clear out all position before the market close. So it's a bit late today signal, and also it's very late for me here. It's 4 a.m. in the morning and just waiting. Normally I will end my trading at around 12 noon New York time, and then because 12 noon is around 12 midnight in my area, so 12 hour ahead. Okay, no luck, the price reverse back down. It will go further high, but maybe later. But we end our video here. So it was a good profit today. So we earn around let's take a look. I'm exiting at 8.5, so it should be around 8 points. Okay, because this is the last minute of market might close any moment, and yeah, perfect profit today, 8 points. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.